Alright, here's this York LX series heat pump at my dad's meeting place across at this little tiny house. From 2012. Not sure the nominal tonnage. I think it's a 41,000 BTU. Judging by right there. Got a scroll compressor in it. Sorry. I have my headphones wrapped around my neck right now. I have seen it run in heat mode, but that was last year. Hang on, bear with me. Tuck my headphone cord in. Howdy do? How you guys doing today? Good? Alright. Alright, so if you guys remember those, that patch of 7 York heat pumps that I got a video of, yeah. This one is the same LX series, but it's smaller, and those ones were tall, and they had those different type blades. I like to call those train blades, because, you know, train units use those a lot. But, I don't know. It's got a TXV in it. Yeah, it's got that, Dunvan accumulator. Yorks always use that accumulator. I think I've heard that, York is starting to, sell their units without the microchannel. It's kind of raining right now. It's like in the 50s right now, and it kind of feels like it's like very humid out. I think it's a 410A system. It's not been running. It hasn't been running. There's the low side port, the true suction. The lines that just goes into the house right there. I like to get a picture of the installs. It's a very nice install. Let's see. Yep, 410A right there. Boom. Let's see. If it says a BTU, high side 500 psi, low side 500 psi. Charging chart. See, there's a listed section of heat pump. Made in the USA. That's the way to go, man. Made in USA units. There's a bunch of green and black mold all over it. I guarantee you that is from the defrost cycles. As you guys saw, the Goodman unit that I got a video of a couple hours ago. I had to stop it right there because a guy came over to me. And he was so confused on why I was, like, over there just around a heat pump. Now, that Goodman system had a scroll compressor. I think it was an Emerson. I'm not sure. It was from 2012, as you guys saw. I think it was a 30,000 BTU. 13 SEER. I should check on this one. I think that's an 18 SEER. Not sure. The energy guide is right here, but it's worn. My dad's approaching me. Yeah, it probably has this electrical box. But yeah. And there's a train unit for the building. I'll get a video of that in a little bit after the meeting's done, so yeah. See you guys in a minute. Bye.